Places of worship. Today we learn places of worship. There is only one God, and belief we have in God is our religion. Like there are various places of worship for people perform of their prayer to their God. Temple. The temple is the holy place of Hindu. In a temple, Hindu perform religious ritual, ceremony and pray like mundan, thread ceremony, engagement, marriage and pray. Hindi Hindu holy book is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Apart from this, other are Ramayana and some Aranyak. Mosque. The mosque is the Islamic or Muslim place of worship. In a mosque, people may perform religious ritual ceremonies and offer prayer. The holy book of Muslim is Quran. Gurudwara. Gurudwara is the Sikh place of worship. In a Gurudwara, Sikh perform religious rituals, ceremony and offer their prayer. The holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Church. The church is the Christian place of worship. In the church, Christians perform religious ritual ceremony and offer their prayer. Christian holy book is the Holy Bible or the Holy Bible. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much for watching the full video.